Okay, this is a CalWin video to have a look at some of the overview reports. So these are reports that are available which can look at all quotes, all orders, and all the detail within them. So from the main screen, to bring those up, I'm going to press Control and R, which brings me my printout screen. Again, if your printout screen is blank, then insert reports and save them. So I'm just going to run through a few of these. Sales office report. If I do a preview of this, it's going to ask me for some dates. If I just chuck in 2021 there and say OK, then what I get is the status on the order header is red, and we get a breakdown of each status for quotes and orders, and we get some details. So when did it come in, what is it, a quote or an order, what number is it, who's it for, what's the name of who's dealing with it, what chance do we have, what kind of windows or doors is it, how many, what's the cost, the price, the margin, and is it on hold. So that gives us a breakdown in each area, which is extremely handy. I'm going to put some totals in here as well, so that we can see how much we've got to go at. Okay, so very handy way of finding out what's going on. We've got a production plan, which if we do a quick preview on this, is more geared towards production. So we've got the production date, i.e. the last day of manufacture, the delivery date, the job number, what its status is, what products we've got, who's it for, what kind of timber is it, how many are we talking, how many sashes, how many apertures, how many panes of glass, how many astragal bars, what paint colour is it inside and out, and have we got any associated purchase orders with it? If so, what state are they in, what's our delivery status, and again, is it on hold? And we've also got a planning week report. So if we have a quick preview of that, and the dates are already offset for 2020. So if we just press OK to this, this is per day for a whole week per page, and which jobs should be in which areas. So I'm just going to whiz forward to where we've got a little bit more work in. So week 7, the 10th, we've got these 4 orders, and they should be in each of these areas. And we've got quantities and hours based on our labour rates, and then on the 11th, the 12th, the 13th and the 14th we have the amount of work in each area, and then into week 8 it moves through the factory. So obviously we'll work with people about labour times, but this is a great way of saying this is where everything should be, let's just manage by exception from there on in. Okay, as we get more information in here, we'll be able to have a look at the budget, where we can see quantities of quotes, orders against budget, and GM1, GM2. But we'll save that for another day. Okay, thanks very much.